My name is Himanshu Dalvi. I am partner in a company called VOS Technologies India Limited. LED is a name which is basically very confused. Most of the people do not know. They all feel that LED is only energy saving, but there are spurious LEDs which are available in the market. As a education and awareness program, we always insist that LM80 is a standard which has been established by Bureau of Indian Standards, and I would like everyone to, whoever is hearing me, would like to ensure that when they buy the LED products, only buy LM80 qualified products. We only deal in this technology which is established qualitatively in the market, and spurious goods under the name of LED should not be used. All the Ledlux products are available only in these LM80 qualified and certified products. I find that most of the visitors, when they come into our stall to know, they want to understand not on products as per, but they want to understand primarily on technology, the way our LED chips are, the manufacturing of the LED chips, how we produce these, how we put this on our MRCs. These are very important aspects, and I'm very encouraged by the questions that I receive, because now there is a general awareness that people are buying the products after understanding what is good and what is bad. This market, this time, we found that the quality of the visitors and the footfall is much superior than just a walk-in customer just because it's a holiday, so he wants to come in and just have a walk around, stroll around. This time we have really contacted very good buyers, not only within India, but we got 3 clients which are overseas clients and have shown their interest in our products. Energy-starved country of India, I think the ultimate solution in the present technology domain is only LED. It should be made mandatory, and all the energy guzzlers like a GLS lamp should be banned. China has already done that, and I don't see a reason why India cannot undertake the same. LED will be the only future in the next 10 to 15 years, till such time that something else will replace LED, but I don't foresee any research in that direction as on date. There's the Messi Frankfurt, which used to be the only platform available once upon a time, but which was a very expensive platform for Indian manufacturers to go to Germany or in Milan. It's good that they have tied up with India, and this is an excellent platform. All the manufacturers, I must insist, should use this platform to promote product, technology, as well as their own revenue matters. Thank